你们好. You will not be seeing my face today. Some of you ask me, excuse me, ma, this word boo, sometimes I see it written with second tone, sometimes I see it written with fourth tone. What tone exactly does the word boo have? And so today we are going to be talking about it. The word boo means no or not, and it originally has the fourth tone. That is the original tone. It originally has the fourth tone, but when it is followed by another word that has fourth tone, it changes to second tone, and this is both in spoken and written Chinese. Note that it is both in spoken and written Chinese. Do you remember what we learned about two third tones following each other? We learned that when two third tones follow each other, the first one is changed to the second tone. And we used the word 可以, if you remember. 可以. Remember, we learned that when saying it, you say it like this E here has second tone. You say it like 可以 and not 可以, but that is when you're saying it. When you are writing it, it doesn't change. The tone remains there. It is when you are saying it that you say 可以. Now, this one is the rule on third tone. With boo, and only boo actually. When boo is followed by another word with the fourth tone, the tone on boo changes to the second tone, as we will see shortly. I have listed some words here to explain this to us. There is how, there is shi, there is xing, there is duo. I made sure to list words with all the tones, with the four tones that we have in Chinese. Let us also understand that bu is a word used for negation. When you add bu to a word, you are making it the opposite. This is how. How means good. When you add bu in front of how, what you have is bu how, and what it now means is bad or not good. The second one there is shi. Shi means to be. When you add bu in front of shi, it will now be not to be. Did you notice that with how, bu retained its fourth tone? That is because how has the third tone, the falling and rising tone. Shi has fourth tone, and that is the reason why bu now has second tone. And you will no longer call it bu, you will call it bu. So this one is bu shi, not bu shi. Bu will leave that fourth tone for shi. Xing. Xing means okay. There is another word for okay. You can say hao-de, but for this context, we are using xing. If you say bu xing, you are saying not okay. You can see that bu retained that fourth tone because xing has second tone. See the last one here, duo. Duo means many or much or a lot. You add bu in front of duo and you have bu duo, meaning not many, not much. So we are going to write the characters together. I hope this is very clear. How means good. Bu hao means not good. Shi means to be. Bu shi means not to be. 你是学生吗？我不是学生，我是老师。That is 是 and 不是. To be, not to be. 行 is okay. 不行 is not okay. If I want to ask you, can I go to the movies with you? I'll say, 我可以跟你一起去看电影行吗？我可以跟你一起去看电影行吗？ Is it okay if I go to the movies with you? If it's okay, you say 行. If it's not okay, you say 不行. The last one here is 多. 多 means many. 很多人 many people. 这里有很多人 there are many people here. 不多 not many. 我时间不多 it means I don't have much time. 我的钱不多 it means I don't have much money. So 多 is many. 不 in front of it means not many. Do you now understand the word boo and the different tones it takes up when we see it in texts? And do you also understand how to use it to turn a word to negative? We will not end the class without writing the characters. Let us see how to write boo. Mm? 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 And like this is boo. How? We have written how before. We wrote how when we learned how to do salutation. Ni hao. Mm? This is how. And to write boo how, you just write this boo and repeat this how. So here we go. Boo. Mm? How. And this is sh. This is how to write sh. This is sh. We have written sh before. This is bu sh. You write bu again. We are going to be writing bu a lot for this class. You write sh again, and that is bu sh. Hmm? Xing. This is how to write xing. Hmm? You do like this. And this is bu xing. Our bu again. Bu xing. Hmm? And lastly, duo. Duo. And bu. Duo. Bu. Are you watching this? You write this again here. Those are the characters. How, bu hao, shi, bu shi, not bu shi. And I am sure you know why by now. Then, xing, bu xing, duo, bu duo. So this is where we are going to end our class for today. Of course, we always have zuoye. The zuoye will be to write this note the way it is like this. I want to see it on your notes. And I'm going to be posting something on the group. I'll be posting audios and videos on the group. You listen to them, watch them, and repeat what you hear. So where do we write our zuoye now? I want us to make it a tradition to write it in every class. We have enough space for our zuoye here. So we'll be writing it here. Zuo. Yeah. That's it. That's the end of today's class. See you on the next one. 下课，再见。